Hey guys, look what came today. One of my favorite subscription boxes. It is the Fab Fit Fun Box. My name is Christina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, the occasional unboxing, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we are going to be giving away free beauty products, so stay tuned for that. If you are new to Fab Fit Fun, it is a $49 subscription box. It ships out seasonally. I do have an affiliate link down below where you can get $10 off your first box. It doesn't cost you anything extra to do so. It kind of helps me out a little bit. But if you do use it, thank you. If you don't, no obligation to do so whatsoever. So let's dive into this box. I did want to mention that I just did a when you purchase this, you have the option to purchase a mystery bundle on top of this, and I did that, and that's $29, and I did that unboxing, and I had $200 worth of product for my $29. Anyway, I'll leave that link for that video in the description box down below. So let's dive into this box. I am so excited. So when I did my membership, I did it annually. It costs less. You get stuff shipped out to you sooner than you do for other people, and you get to customize your box more. So I did that. This is not a sponsored box, guys. I purchased this all on my own. So I'm just kind of opening this up here. Ooh, how pretty. So this is what the box kind of looks like. I love how it has all the succulents all over it. Makes me think of spring, even when I have, you know, snow outside my door. So the first thing in here is the fabulous Serena Williams is on the cover here. Not Serena, but Venus. And in here it talks about your different products, and it also talks about some of the customizations that you could do, and so I will dive into that, and then it kind of talks about each of the different products as well. So I'm just going to now dive into the box, kind of tear open this tissue paper here. The first item I am super excited about, you guys. This is the Show Me Your Mumu Brie Robe, and look how pretty this print kind of is. So what this is a just stepped out of the shower, planning a day or lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features removable belt and high-low hem. You hand wash it in cold water and lay flat to dry. And so let's see, and it says, you know, you can it's kind of a one size, but it'll fit up to a size 16. And this is what it kind of looks like here. You know, this is perfect for when you just get out of the shower, you're doing your makeup, you're not ready to get dressed yet. And this is such a gorgeous print, you guys, that you could even use this. I would probably take the belt off and throw this over a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt. This would look so chic over that. So you have a going out outfit or staying home and cozy. It is super soft. I'm gonna love this. So how Fab Fit Fun works, they usually ship out about 8 products. Your first 3 products are customizable. Everybody can custom, get choice between this, that, and the other. And then your next 3 are customizable for select members only, so they get some more choice, which I do if you're a select member, if you subscribe annually. And then your last 3 are ones that are in everybody's box. So you have the choice this time between the Show Me Your Mumu Brie Rub, which I got, or the Deluxe Luxe Demi backpack, and that one retails for $75. I don't know if I mentioned it, but the robe does retail for $84. So you had your choice between the Robe or the backpack, or also an unplug meditation aromatherapy diffuser that retails for $55. So which of those three would you have chosen? Let me know in the comments below. So the next choices that you had were the Ouai Australia My Girl in Black Smoke sunglasses, retail for $55. Or the Ouai Australia Vivian in Black Smoke, retail for $60. Or the Sun Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu, retails for $30. Or the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Oil, which is what I chose. So it's this guy here. Let's kind of open this up. So here's what this looks like. Get the front of it, there we go. So this is the Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Oil from Korres, retails for $48. Hydrate and brightens your skin. The weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. You apply to your face and neck. Avoid the eye area for more radiant skin. It hydrates and brightens your skin. The weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. So here is what it kind of looks like. I love that it doesn't have a fragrance. As you can kind of see here. There you go. And I really like Korres products, so I am excited to put this into my rotation. So which of those would you guys have chosen? The sunglasses, the picnic or basket thing, or the Korres face oil, or not face oil, excuse me, brightening sleeping facial? Let me know. So next you had your choice between the Gadazi copper-plated measuring spoons, the Lavido Aromatic body lotion in Mandarin orange and Bergamot, or a mystery item. And the measuring spoons were $15. The lotion was $19, or your mystery item was $20 plus. I did choose the body lotion. So it is a Hydrate, Nourish, and Protect. This delicious scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. Massage on a clean, damp skin, like right after you get out of the shower, and to absorbed. Like I said, I do like things citrusy, so I really like the smell of that. Put a little bit on here. I'm just kind of rubbing it in. It absorbs really well, and a little bit of a sheen to it. I am gonna love this. Like I say that after all of the things, sorry about that. Need to come up with a new catchphrase or something afterwards. So which of those would you choose? Would you have chosen the spoons, the lotion, or get surprised by the mystery item, excuse me, not bundle? I think if they do it next time, if I'm not, like I did really want this lotion, but if there's something that I'm not so sure on, I might choose that mystery item next time, because I have been pleasantly surprised with the mystery bundles that I have been getting. So the next choice items are for select members only. So you have your choice between the two brandt Athens necklace, which retails for $30, or the Ciaté London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Power, retails for $22, or a Sip by Swell, so a Swell bottle, that retails for $19.99. I did choose the Ciaté London setting powder because I've been falling in love with Ciaté London products lately. They have been great. I'm actually wearing two items from Ciaté London right now. I have the mascara on, and then I also have their highlighter on. So So let me kind of open this box up here. Here's what it looks like. So here's what the packaging looks like. I know it's kind of a mirrors. I don't want to blind you guys, but anyway, that's what it kind of looks like. It's got this cute little bow here on the side, and then there's the packaging itself. Let's open it up. There is no scent. Kind of looks like this. All of Ciaté London's products are cruelty-free. So what this one said is the secret to flawless makeup. Use the lightweight, finely milled powder as the last step in your makeup routine for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. You take a fluffy brush and lightly sweep the powder all over your face to set your makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna dig this one. So the next couple items, if you are, the select members, you do have your choice between the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, retails for $28. The Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush runs $18. And then you have the Serenus Williams Elven by Venus Jump Robe that retails for $15. So I chose the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, and it's really large, you guys. This is 6.7 ounces. This is a big guy. And it says, this is an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. This is a cruelty-free brand, Tula is. And they massage the cleanser onto a wet skin in small circular motions, then rinse. So I will be putting this one into my rotation. So the next three items are ones that everybody got. So just reaching in here, grabbing one of them out. This one is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Needles No More Eye Depuffing Gel. And I'm trying to stay away from non-cruelty free products, and guys, these are not cruelty free. And everything else in this entire box is cruelty free. So let's get on it. Fab Fit Fun, you're doing such a great job. I know you've been listening to everybody, trying to do more cruelty-free runs. Not that I'm not knocking this product or anything like that. I'm just saying that it would be nice to move everything to cruelty-free run. And if Dr. Brandt wants to switch to cruelty-free, that'd be awesome. That would be really great. So what this is, it is the visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. This does retail for $42, and when you pump it out, it is a salmon shade. So let's put a little bit here, maybe. Really gotta squeeze this guy. There you go. So on the back of the hand there. So what that orange is gonna do, it is going to help with the darkness that's here under the eyes. And I'm just gonna smooth it in. You know, when I put it in, you can't even hardly tell that there's any orange there. So it says, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct the dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. Ooh, this next product is by Ouai, which is cruelty-free. It is their leave-in conditioner. It says, we're obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties, enhances heat protection. Retails for $26. You mist lightly through damp hair prior to brushing. So I don't brush my hair because my hair would go if I did. When I get out of the shower, I just kind of run my fingers through it and put a mousse / gel kind of oil thing into it. From Bumble's what I usually use. So, and I've never used a leave-in conditioner before. Let me know in the comments below if you think this would work for me or not. I'm interested to see what you guys have to say. So the final item is, it's kind of heavy here, is this Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. Kind of smell, yeah, it smells like a, almost like a berry champagne, maybe like a strawberry champagne, kind of. So it says it's formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gently Body Scrub removes dirt, polishes, hydrates, and refreshes skin. Retails for $24. So I just wanted to look at the ingredients here really quick. So a lot of times if it's from the Dead Sea, it'll say Dead Sea on the ingredients. This one does not specifically say that it's Dead Sea. So it does, you know, it talks about the salt. And then for the charcoal, so it talks about black dye, but doesn't actually list charcoal in itself. And charcoal is a pretty cheap ingredient to put into things. So I don't necessarily know if this has actual charcoal or not, or if it's just the black dye for the body scrub. So this one I'm kind of a little iffy on. I don't know if you have used this before, let me know in the comments down below. This does retail for $24. So if I add up everything in here that I got, it was $285.95 retail value. Not bad for the $49 a box that it costs to get this box, or if you use the link down below, it is $39 for your first box. I would say my favorite items are the Korres night skincare and the Ciaté London, because I'm really falling in love with this brand. Their setting powder and probably the Robe. I think this is just gorgeous. I think these colors are beautiful. I would say my least favorite is probably the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. Yes, I know I need help underneath. I need all the help I can get, but it's not a cruelty-free brand, and I haven't completely switched everything over, but I'm trying to, and I'm in the transition stage of switching everything, hopefully, to a cruelty-free brand. So probably this, and I'm not quite sure about the leave-in conditioner because I've never used one before. And then this one, this guy here, I'm kind of iffy about. So let me know in the comments below which ones you guys liked, which ones products you would have chosen differently than the products that I chose. If you have used any of these, let me know any tips or tricks that you guys have. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you do, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.